Good morning, guys. It's Saturday, 5:03. Just got up on this journey to making $3,000 a month, averaging $100 a day, and starting to get kind of close here. I had that big day, really big day where I did almost $500. And then just 2 days ago, I did 217. Even yesterday, I got close to 100, did 88. And right here, we're gonna see for the month, I'm at 1552, and today's the 16th, so, I'm on pace. So it looks like this hard work is starting to pay off, but it's no time to let up. Gotta keep going, about to jump in the shower and get to work. Let's go. Okay, so it's 5:22, just got out the shower and hopped on my laptop, and one thing that I noticed is that I actually just reached 5,000 subscribers overnight, so that is a cool milestone. My goal is to get 1,000 subscribers a month, and if I go to my analytics, actually getting pretty close there. You can see I'm at 831 for the past 28 days, so little by little, we're getting there. All right, so it is 7:12, just got done uploading for about an hour. I was able to get up about 10 designs, or 108 uploaded for today. Usually I'm able to get up a little bit more, but I had kind of a busy day on Etsy yesterday. If we check out my stats, we're gonna see I did $184 in revenue, 7 orders, and a lot of them were personalized orders. I highly recommend that if you're on Etsy that you do personalized t-shirts. It's it's basically where the money's at least in my opinion, for Etsy. But I do have one sale for Merch by Amazon, and it was an evergreen niche. I priced it at $22.99, gives me a nice royalty of $7.11. So you guys can see that I am raising my prices. But yeah, so that's where we're at. Now it's time to go to McDonald's. And before I take off to McDonald's, I wanted to show you a book that I just uploaded, because one of the other ways I make money online is I self-publish ebooks and audiobooks. Right now I'm doing a lot of short horror stories, and I wanted to show you this creepy cover that I made yesterday. Well, actually, I made it on ideogram, so the prompt that I used was a horror mannequin dummy, and it popped out this freaky looking guy right here. If you want to check out my work, I just use my name for my pen name, and basically I hire ghostwriters on Upwork to write me short stories. Well, it's just one writer that he writes me these stories. Been working together for a while now, and people seem to really like it. You can check out my work. That's the pen name that I use, my own name, and you can check out some of the reviews. But this is a great way to make another income stream, self-publishing ebooks, paperback books, and even audiobooks. So in this week's vlog, I wanted to do how much I spent in a day style video. I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for about 18 years, and when I first moved down here, things were incredibly cheap. Prices have gone up as the years have gone by, but things are still very cheap here, especially compared to the United States, especially where I'm from in Mill Valley, California. My rent where I film my YouTube videos, it's only $200 a month. Where my girlfriend and son live, that's a little more expensive because it's a nice 2-bedroom condo with infinity pool, security, and parking. But that's still only $1,200 for a 2-bedroom furnished. The school that my son goes to, it's a private school. It's only $300. And I spend probably about maybe $200 a week on groceries. So my expenses for the month, is probably right around, I'd say maybe like $2,000 dollars, and we're able to live a pretty good life just with about $2,000 a month. Now I make probably around $3,000, maybe like, depending on the time of year, $3,000 to $4,000 a month. But in this video, like I said, just gonna show you like what things cost me as a Merch by Amazon seller living down here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. So I'm not gonna do my usual thing where I take you out to breakfast. Well, I'm going to McDonald's, so I'll probably get a little something there. It is cheat day, so I'm not going to restrict myself too much on my diet, but I'm just gonna show you like what things cost, throughout my day. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so I just got done uploading for about an hour at McDonald's, and I ended up spending 85 pesos on an egg McMuffin, which is about $5. Exchange rate is about 17 to 1. And now I'm gonna go back home, take care of some errands, and take the family out. Today's Saturday, so it's family day, so probably gonna go to a restaurant and go to the mall like we usually do. Here you can see the guys fishing in the background, and I think you can see some people paddleboarding. But another beautiful day down here in Puerto Vallarta. So before I got home, I had to stop by my favorite taco restaurant called Birria Robles. These tacos are so good. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen that I post photos of these tacos every now and then. But basically, it is stewed beef on a tortilla with cilantro and pickled onions with habanero. And I also got this passion fruit drink, which is called maracuyá. It is so good, very refreshing, very sweet. These two tacos and the drink cost me only 70 pesos, which is about $4, and I left a 10 peso tip. Alright, so I just got done eating some tacos, and now I'm about to go pick up my laundry. Laundry is super cheap here, so I bring it to this spot. You can see the little doors right behind me. Usually it's around like 50 pesos, 60 pesos if I have some towels, which is like $2-3. So let's go inside and check it out. So the laundry was only 65 pesos, which is probably like $3 or $4. I did leave a 5 peso tip, but I've been coming here for a while, maybe 3 or 4 years. It's just so convenient, right next to my house, and super cheap. Alright, so I'm about to get my haircut, and the place I like to go is only like a block away from me, and it's this spot right behind me with the door open right here. And I'll give you a little before and after. It's only 80 pesos, which is like $4.50. So you guys can let me know what you guys think. That's the lady right there that cuts my hair. Gracias. Gracias. Alright, so this is the before and after. Let me know what you guys think. Then it was off to our favorite Italian restaurant where I got my shrimp pasta, chicken parmigiano, a cheese pizza for Maddox, and Denise got her favorite caprese salad. You can see we were happy in this nice booth that they sat us in, and this came out to a total of 1,200 pesos. They did give us a 10% discount, and this comes out to a total of about $70 US. So not too bad. Then it was off to the mall where we got Max a toy, which cost about $29 or $30. Denise wanted this Nike outfit so she could look cute when she goes and works out at the gym. That was $50. And then I had to get my chocolate croissant and mocha from Starbucks, which was about $10. All right, so it is 9:24 p.m. and to be honest, I'm kind of tired and I'm gonna start to get ready to go to bed. So I just want to do a quick sales update for the day. So kind of a slow day today, only 28 sales and only $19 in royalties. Did have 5 returns, so that didn't help me. I think this is actually my worst day of the month, but no big deal. That's just business. It's how it is sometimes. You can have good days, you can have slow days. It's not really too much about the days for me. It's more about how the month is going, and we can see that the month is doing really good. Almost $1,600. I almost have more than what I did all of February. So we still got, half the month left to go. So should be a really good month. It's probably going to be my best month ever, beating my record in December, which was $2,000. And as always, I got to finish off with my habit tracker. Now, Saturdays are usually not my best days because it's my cheat days when I go out with the family. But still, for the most part, I did wake up at 5 a.m. this morning. Let's see, did I hit the gym? No, didn't hit the gym. I did not fast either. I did have sugar, I did have processed foods, but I did stay sober, so we can check that one off. I'm about to pray right now. I did not meditate, but I did make my bed, and I did have lime water. So like I said, not my best day. And then for the designs, I didn't do 25 designs, but I did do a YouTube video. This is kind of hard to record like this. So a YouTube video, I did do a short, I did do a post, a couple Instagram posts, and I stopped doing TikTok because I just heard they're gonna ban them, so I don't know if I'm even gonna do TikTok anymore. But yeah, that's how we're looking for the month for my habit tracker for work, then here my habit tracker for just life goals. All right. All right, so that is going to be it for today's vlog. Thanks so much for watching. I actually ended up adding everything up that I spent today, and it came out to a total of $167. Let's just round it up to 170. Now, I don't usually spend that much. Today's family day, so you saw me, eating out, taking my family to lunch, doing some shopping, buying some clothes, buying some toys. Usually I spend a lot less than that, but I thought you guys would get a kick out of this kind of video just to see what someone living down here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico spends on a daily basis. All right, so thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.